Welcome to a Nevada State University Library tutorial. In this video, you will learn how to identify and search for a peer-reviewed article. A peer-reviewed article, also known as a scholarly article, is a piece of academic writing that has undergone a rigorous evaluation process by experts in the same field. Peer-reviewed articles are considered credible and reliable sources of information. To begin searching for peer-reviewed articles, visit the library's website at library.nevadastate.edu. On the library's website, there are a few ways to search for peer-reviewed articles. Under the Research drop-down menu, you can search in specific databases, or you can use the search box on the homepage. For this tutorial, we will conduct a search for peer-reviewed articles about climate change. Just from the first few results, we can see there are a variety of resources about climate change. To search specifically for peer-reviewed articles, let's use the filters on the left side of the screen. Filters refine search results by applying specific criteria, such as date ranges, subject areas, publication types, or language. This helps us find more relevant information quickly. Let's get back to our search. To refine our results specifically for peer-reviewed articles, we will check the box to show only peer-reviewed journals in the format of articles. After determining the filters that you want, make sure to select Apply Filters. Applying those filters should narrow down your results to peer-reviewed articles. With each result, you will find one or more ways to access the resource. Another way to check whether an article is peer-reviewed is by looking for this purple icon. To view more details about a resource, click on the title. In the Detailed record, selecting Details will show more information about the resource, which could include a list of authors, related subjects, and a summary of the resource. By selecting Tools, you will find a citation generator. There will be various citation styles on the left. We highly recommend to check the citation for accuracy before including them in your work. There is also a permalink tool that provides you with a stable link that you can copy to allow you to retrieve the resource for future use. Additionally, you can email yourself and others a link to the resource. Selecting Top will return you back to the top of the record of the resource. To go back to your list of results, you can exit the record by clicking on the X to the left of the screen. If you have more questions about how to search for a peer-reviewed article, schedule a Meet with a Librarian appointment through the library's website. Thank you for watching this Nevada State University Library tutorial.